everyone. Today we're going to have a look at the water flow meter replacement that I've done on the UEV-490. The reason why I replaced it is inside of the unit that I'll take you through in a moment. There's a water flow meter that is connected to an internal water flow display unit or a water level display unit. So it counts the water down, and every time you reset the battery isolator, it resets the water flow sensor as well back to 100. So it assumes that the tank is full when you do reset the battery isolator. That failed for me, and what happened was when I fill up the tanks and I just start running a tap or anything like that and there's no air bubbles, the water flow sensor would go back to zero instantly. So the water flow would read 100% and the next moment it reads 0%. So I've done a couple of troubleshooting. I even ordered a new water flow sensor thinking it's the sensor that's faulty. That wasn't successful either. And then I decided to just bypass the whole system and install a Bluetooth system. So that's what I want to show you here today. And if you do have some advice or you've run through this before, add something in the comments below. I would love to give it a try. But let me take you through what I've done in this installation. Now, just to show you what I have removed over here, this is the water flow meter. This water flow meter is the model number YFB2. I replaced it with the exact same water meter at the time, and I had the same problem that I had with this water meter in particular. This is a water flow sensor, and where it sits, it goes in right there between the accumulator tank and the actual pump. Sits right there, and then it connects. The connector sits right behind there. I cable tied it down here now, but the connector sits down there and it's just sitting and idle, so I can use this power coming through there, so I can use it for something in the future. But this sensor was removed during the replacement. What I then did is, you will see in here, this is the actual water flow sensor, and then I just got a stainless steel coupling to connect the two. It uses a very specific thread. Can't remember what the thread was now, but also ordered this on Amazon. It uses a European thread, and then this unit plugs into this little control box. Now this control box is what actually does your Bluetooth. You have the option of running it powered, so you can wire it in if you really want to. You have to buy a separate harness for that, of 12 volt, or you can run it off batteries. It uses 2 AA batteries. The 2 AA batteries lasts for about a year, so it's quite a long time that you don't have to worry about replacing the batteries. So 2 AA batteries, not bad at all. And you can see the brand is Top Agree E-Flow. This is the water flow sensor that I did install from Amazon. Very, very good product. I'm very happy with it. Comes with an app. So you download the app and then you can control your water tank gauge to the level that you want it to be. So the app is an E-Flow app by Top Agree. You download that. You launch the E-Flow app. It's connected to the UEV-490, to that specific Bluetooth controller. I gave it the name of UEV-490. You can rename it whatever you like it to be. If you've got multiple water flow meters that you would like to install, you can. And you can see right now it's reading 66% from the last trip we did. The tanks are empty at the moment, but remaining water level. And then every time you start your journey and you filled your tanks up, you want to reset, yes. Successfully reset, and we're sitting at a 38 gallon capacity on the UEV-490. So give or take about 138 liters of water on board. I'm going to take you on the inside quickly to show you the bypass mechanism that I did for the UEV-490. Okay, we're going to switch the battery isolator on. See, it's busy calculating everything. Batteries are 100%. And you'll see my water flow, or my water levels at this moment is at 100% also. Now that is disabled. So what I did do is inside of the actual control panel, where you say water level warnings 20%, water tank size is currently at 130 liters. You can say subsystems none. So right now this is actually called a subsystem. So you select the subsystem, and the subsystem says water level on or off, and you go on, water level is now on, or you hit the bottom button again and water level is off. So this bypasses the water level control on the trailer. So what happens now is every time you reset the battery isolator, your battery volume will always read 100%. So yeah, I hope that helped you in some way or form, but please leave a comment below if you've fixed this problem with an existing water flow meter or a new one. But ultimately this is going to get all replaced with a red arc red vision system, integrated water flow sensors and things like that. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching.